Hello class 3, how are you all? I hope you are good, fine and healthy. Today I have some general instructions for you. So my dear student, listen them carefully and follow them. So my dear students, just have a look those points. Points should be remembered. Dear students, you must have purchased books, notebook, brown sheet or a roll for covering purpose and name plate. So my dear students, right now you have these stuffs. So at the same time you are requested or expected to do these instruction in further days. So first one is your all books must be covered with brown sheet properly. What listen, my dear children? All your books must be covered with brown sheet properly because this sheets makes your book powerful or stronger. Okay, so just cover them with brown sheet. Number two, name plate must be affixed on each and every books on notebooks. Okay, my dear students. So you also have nameplate. So just fixed on each and every books and notebook at the same time. Third one is now you must fill the information that is asked by nameplate and notebook like your name, class and subject. As you know, my children, nameplate contains like name, a school, class, roll number, these information. So from your side, you must fill those information as soon as possible from your side. There is a note for to you, my dear students, that is since your roll number have not been notified you yet. So do one thing is that leave that section. So whenever you face or you are demanded for a roll number, just leave that section, my dear student. Further, number 4, you should only use a blue pen and a pencil while writing in the notebook. If any demand, then only color pencils are allowed. My dear students, you should only use blue pen and a pencil. Nothing more like red pen, yellow pen, green pen or any sketches. These are not allowed. So keep it in mind, only blue pen and a pencil are allowed. Fifth one, when you sit for writing in your fair notebook, you must have the blue pen and the pencil and a scale. So these stuffs you should have while you're writing on notebook. So these are the few points, students, that I want to share with you, and this process has been finished. So I expect from you that you must follow these instructions. So move further. So as you see that there is a cover of a notebook. So right now I don't have a notebook from school, but you have purchased, so you must have. So just listen it carefully, my dear students, that this figure seems to your notebook as well. So just fill your name, class, subject. Okay. So my dear students, here I suppose myself as a student. So I write my name, class and computer. So according to this, you should write on your notebook. This is your index, my dear students. So I will come here later. First, I tell you how to make a fair copy as the title is showing above or top on the screen. So this is your first page of copy or notebook. My dear student, you should write date and page number in this page. So this is your first page, and whatever you date you should write on above the page. So at the same time I want to tell you that first two pages should be leave for writing syllabus. Okay, so these two page cover your syllabus, and whenever you open this book you can see what topics to be read or cover. So this one also page number 2, and you should write page number and date. Here I have indicated from X, so just aware about it, and you write date on dates section. This is your third one page and the current date. So now you can see the working page as on your screen. So first, my dear students, you write your name left side as I mention here. After that, you just write chapter number and chapter title. So I am your computer teacher, so I know that the name of first chapter, and I mentioned here. Your first chapter is computer hardware and the chapter number is 1. So here the point should be noted that just write chapter number and your chapter name and underline by pencil. My dear students, it should be done while writing question answer. Okay. After that, you should give a gap of one line and just below write the question type. So now I have sharing with you answer the following questions type. So as I have mentioned here, you should write on your notebook. Okay. After that, again leave a line for space, or it's make it carefully. So this is your first question, my dear students. Name three features which make the computer a powerful machine. So after writing this question, you again leave a gap when you start the right answer. Okay. So as you can see that there is a gap between question and answer. So after that you start writing your answer. When your writing of answer of question 1 finished, you should do again draw a underline by pencil and scale, and after that you can start another question again and write question and should give a gap and again start writing your answer. So this process or this way of writing goes till you reach at the last question. So now just observe, my dear students, how I leave gap in this page. So further, this is your next page, and you should mention date and page number as well. Okay, so just suppose your first three and third questions has been written in previous page, and now you start this page from question number 4. So write question number 4 again, give a gap and write your answer. So after doing so, and at a time or sometime you reached at the last question. So after mm, done, you just draw a line, and just below you should write chapter 1 finished. It shows that the current chapter has been finished. Okay, students. So now one thing I want to share you that in this page or what's called previous page, in previous page you can see that there is a vertical line at your right side. So you should draw a line as well here to make margin. So this margin is very thin, like a finger wide, like. So keep it mind, just draw a line from right side as well for giving a margin. So this is the way, my dear students, you have to follow and make your fair copy. So I hope you have understood these instructions, and I hope that you should follow these instructions while you making your fair copy. And one more point I would like to share to you. So whenever you draw a figure, just do two things. First, draw a vertical and horizontal line as well with 1 inch gap. After that, whenever you draw a figure, you should also do just indicate their name also. Or you can say that do the naming activity. So what stuffs in your figure, just indicate that. So these are the all instruction for while you drawing or drawing picture on your blank white page. This is your index page, my dear student. So how do we fill them? We see here. So as you see, name, subject, class, and roll number. So you should fill this information first, and the section of roll number should be leave for the time being. Just see below, you have a serial number. So according to items, you just write the number. If first lesson is finished, so just write 1. After that, you mention the date on which you have done this chapter. Okay, then the third column demands you the title, what the name of that chapter you have finished. Just write the name in this column. After that, move another one, and that is page number. So the page number, you have to write the number on which your that chapter written, my dear student. So just we have started from page number 3. So first we write 3 and write the last page where you have finished the chapter. So likewise you write the page number, and subsequently you write all the chapter name. So there is one column also a teacher signature. So for the time being it is not possible from our side to put the signature. So when will our school open, then we will, or I will put the signature in this section. So this is the information all about how to make a fair copy. So now my dear students, it is expected from you that do follow. Then now, bye.